This one at the bottom group is freestyle. We can select any checkbox, and at the top group, whenever we select a checkbox, previously selected will be automatically deselected. Hey guys, once again welcome to Jokyo Apps, and you are watching the series Sketchware for Beginners. So today we are learning about checkbox. The checkbox allows user to select one or more options from a list. Today we will create two kind of checkbox groups. In first group, on selecting a checkbox, all others will be deselected. And the second one will be freestyle. So first of all, we have added two linears here. Inside each of them, we will add three linears. In first linear, we will name them checkbox 1, checkbox 2, and checkbox 3. And in second group, we will name them checkbox A, checkbox B, checkbox C. So I will call them numbers group and ABC group. So the numbers group will be like when we select a checkbox, others will be deselected. So here in the view palette, we have a block checkbox set selected. So the chosen one will be set to true, others will be set to false. Once our code is ready, we will add it to the collection and paste them on other checkboxes and select the checkbox which we want to set the true and others to false. So our code is not working because we have placed it in the on checkbox changed. So whenever this is happening, all checkboxes are triggering that, and we are again on the same place where we have started. Now we will delete that code on checkbox changed and place it on click event of the checkbox. So after placing there, on clicking the group ABC, we will show a toast based on the state of checkbox checked or unchecked. This one at the bottom group is freestyle. We can select any checkbox, and at the top group Whenever we select a checkbox, previously selected will be automatically deselected. So that was just an educational video. I hope this will help you to understand checkboxes. I know many of you already know about checkboxes, but this series is intended for beginners. For you guys, I am working on bigger series. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.